Hi, welcome to the world of information. 2024 Toyota C-HR Review. Exterior. The 2024 Toyota C-HR boasts a bold and distinctive design, featuring sharp lines and a modern aesthetic. Key exterior highlights include front fascia, a prominent grille flanked by sleek LED headlights. Body styling, sporty, coupe-like roofline with aggressive character lines. Wheels, available with 17-inch to 19-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim level. Color options, a range of vibrant color options, including two-tone paint schemes for a customized look. Interior. The interior of the 2024 C-HR is designed with both style and functionality in mind. Key features include dashboard, a contemporary design with a centrally mounted touchscreen. Materials, high-quality materials and finishes, including soft touch surfaces and available leather upholstery. Seating, comfortable seating for 5 passengers with ample legroom and headroom. Rear seats can fold down to expand cargo space. Technology, an 8-inch or larger infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and available navigation. Higher trims offer premium audio systems and additional tech features. Safety, Toyota Safety Sense Suite as standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic emergency braking. Fuel efficiency. The 2024 Toyota C-HR offers competitive fuel efficiency for its class, equipped with a 2.0-liter inline-4 engine. Fuel economy, estimated at around 29 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway, making it an economical choice for urban and highway driving. Engine power. The 2024 C-HR is designed to provide a balanced blend of power and efficiency. Engine output. The 2.0-liter engine delivers approximately 144 horsepower and 139 pounds-feet of torque. Transmission, paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, for smooth acceleration and efficient performance. Driving dynamics. The C-HR features a well-tuned suspension for a comfortable ride, with responsive handling that makes it agile in city traffic. The 2024 Toyota C-HR stands out with its unique styling, well-appointed interior, efficient performance, and a solid array of standard safety features, making it a strong contender in the compact SUV segment. Price of 2024 Toyota C-HR is $42,990.